Well, I guess most of you here already know Dan, but as a client, I just want to say that speaking, he was just a dream attorney for us. One of the most amazing things for us was, and I know this is probably going to be shocking to some of you, but was to walk in that office and be treated like a human being. I mean, Larry and I were just like pinching each other when we left. It was like, they really believe in us. They really believe in our civil rights. We could not believe that after all these years and all the battles that we had been through, we had finally found somebody that was willing to stand up and fight for us. It was amazing. I don't even know if I've even told you all that before, but it just blew our minds. But my husband and I, now husband, because of our attorneys, our wonderful attorneys, we have been together for 34 years, and I think it was actually 33 years at the time when I had a heart issue, and I went to the hospital, and was told that I was going to have a procedure done right away. They weren't even going to do a hard cath on me. They said it's too dangerous to even do or not a hard cath, but what's it called? A stress test. Excuse me. They said it's too dangerous to even do a stress test on you. I mean, that's pretty scary when somebody tells you that. So as soon as he left, he told me that we're going to have to take you right into surgery and go ahead and do a heart cath on you right now as soon as we can get you in there. As soon as he walked out of the room, we realized that it was just Larry and I there together. He couldn't make any decisions for me. So we had to get paperwork drawn up, and they actually came to get me from surgery, the orderlies did, and I couldn't go. This was emergency surgery. I needed to go right now, and I couldn't go. I had said, please wait, we have to get this taken care of. So it took a little while, we got it taken care of, and I got into surgery and everything worked out all right. But why should people have to go through that? It was just crazy. I decided right then and there, if we ever got the opportunity, that we would fight this if we could, and the opportunity arose when Dan and Laura and Joe won, with the attorneys from Favre Law, won the case for recognition from out of state. I was shocked. I didn't even know that case was going on. So I called Laura, and Laura was wonderful. She said, come on down, we'd like to talk to you. I found out later they wanted to see if we were crazy. Which is part of the screening process. Yes, part of the screening process. But we went down, couldn't get a marriage license, and the rest is history. And I can tell you guys, and those of you who work with Dan know his integrity and what he stands for. During the whole process, the years-long process going to the Supreme Court, every backroom battle, every situation that I saw, Dan work in as the lead attorney for our case, his integrity was impeccable. He kept our interests first. That was laser-like focus. He focused on us, not himself, not self-aggrandizement, but us as the plaintiffs and the gay community in general. So this is the type of person that Dan is. This is why we need him in Congress. You know what this country's facing right now with, the hate groups, the rise of hate groups. Dan he's an expert on hate groups. I've heard him lecture on, the law and the history of hate groups and the history of the law pertaining to them, and he's just the perfect person for right now. So please support Dan any way that you can. If you love the law and you love the Constitution of this country, we need somebody like Dan fighting that has actually read the Constitution, understands it. We need Dan in Congress. So please vote for Dan, and please fight for him, and please donate tonight if you can. This is, raising money. I've worked in campaigns years ago, helping other people, and raising money is uncomfortable. It's not something people want to do. It's very hard. They feel like they're imposing on their friends, but it's something that we have to do. We have to raise the money to fight these people, because God knows they have the money. So please help out in any way you can. Thank you very much.
Thank you.